Now we are going to discuss moment of force. This topic is very important in the exam point of view. The topic is moment of force. Moment of force, the simple definition for moment of force is it is a rotational effect of force. Okay, for example, if you are pushing a door, here you can see a door. This is a door and this is a hinge of the door. This part is known as hinge. If I am pushing door from here, it will rotate, right? It's a half rotation. It's not a full rotation. The door is going to open. The door is going to open means it is a half rotation. So this force is creating a rotational effect. This force is creating a rotational effect. If I am considering a window, if I am pushing a window from the end, you can see that the window is also closing or window is opening. So in that case also there is a rotational effect of force. So this kind of rotational effect is known as moment of force or torque. Okay, it is also known as torque or moment of force. So here you can see a beam. Okay, it is not balanced here. It's not balanced. The force acting at this point, it is in downward direction. If I am comparing this motion with a clock, this is the second hand of the clock, it will be moving in this direction. It is clockwise. So here it is clockwise moment. This is clockwise. Okay, this one is anti-clockwise. The movement. Okay, this is anti-clockwise. So the movement is clockwise here and the movement is anti-clockwise here, opposite of the direction of the clock. That's the meaning of this clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, now let us define moment of force. Rotational effect of force is known as torque or moment of force. This is the definition for moment of force and we can write an equation for this moment of force. The simple equation is moment of force equal to force into distance. This is the equation for moment of force. Moment of force equal to force into distance. Now let us solve some of the questions related to this. Okay, so definition is it is a rotational effect of force. Here you can see a system. This is hinge. This is the rotational part. On the basis of this point, the door is going to rotate. This is hinge, or you can say it is pivot. Okay, here we are applying a force of 5 Newton. The applied force is 5 Newton here. What is the distance from the pivot and the point of action of force? 3 meter. So we need to find the moment of force here. The equation is force into distance between the pivot and the point of action of force. That is also given. So we can write moment of force equal to, the distance is 3, right? So 3 into the force is 5. 3 into 5, which is equal to 15 Newton meter. Newton meter is the unit of moment of force or torque, because the unit of force is Newton, unit of distance is meter. So unit will be Newton meter. The answer is 15 Newton meter. Now let us move forward with the other question. In the first case, the moment of force is, so here I can write moment of force equal to 5 into 10, which is equal to 15 Newton meter. In this case, moment of force equal to 5.6 into 15, which will be 84. So here it is 84 Newton meter. Here the moment of force will be moment of force equal to 7.5 into 20, which will be equal to 150. 7.5 into 20, which will be equal to 150 Newton meter. Here 6.7 into 50 into 6.7, it will be 335 Newton meter. So this is the concept of moment of force. This is only single moment of force. All moment of force are in single direction, only one direction. The force is acting in upward direction, so it is anti-clockwise, 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 anti-clockwise. Okay, all directions are anti-clockwise, right? Now we are going to discuss the pair. If the moment of forces are come in pairs, what's going to happen? That's what we are going to do now. Okay, here it is called balancing, right? Balancing a beam. We can say that if here the force is 50 Newton here the force is 50 Newton. Okay, the force acting in downward direction, right? The force is acting in downward direction. Here also force acting in downward direction. The distance is 10 meter. Here the distance is 10 meter. In both sides there is a moment of force. Moment of force on the left side and moment of force on the right side. What is the direction? This is the direction of moment of force on the left side. Both are balanced because equal moment of force. What is the moment of force here? 50 into 10. That is 500 Newton meter. Here also it is 50 into 10. 500 Newton meter. Both moment of forces are equal. These two moment of forces are equal. So it is balanced. Okay, this is balanced. So in balanced condition, clockwise moment of force will be equal to anti-clockwise moment of force. So we can write it. It is very important point. Clockwise moment of force is equal to anti-clockwise moment of force in balanced condition. Okay, that is very important point because we are going to solve one question on the basis of this concept. Not one question, we are going to solve more than one question on the basis of this concept. So here the clockwise moment of force which is equal to anti-clockwise moment of force. Both are cancelling here. That's why it's not rotating. It's not going to rotate because it is balanced.